Hey everybody, Dave Thompson here with another episode of Ever Increasing Freedom. Today I want to just bring you up to speed on what's been happening. About 10 days ago I found out that I was going to lose my job, and Sonia and I decided early on that we were going to be optimistic in this situation. And I can just tell you there's too much to even explain what's happened on the job front since that time, but I have been working on my network marketing business, and I've been optimistic, and I've had massive action, and I've had some really great results. But I want to talk about this decision that we made to be optimistic. It occurred to me today that there's only one chance to be optimistic in a negative situation, and that is in a negative situation. Once that situation passes and things smooth out, it's completely understandable that you might be optimistic because things are going well. But when you get that chance, I want to encourage you that I believe on the road to freedom, true freedom inside our souls, we choose to be optimistic. We choose to be energized. We choose to be present every day in every situation. And we've tried to do that. And I can tell you, in as much as we have done that, we have experienced amazing freedom, and we're excited about the journey. Thanks for joining me today. God bless. Have a great day.